If you want to make a TLIF in a patient who has already operations on the dura, so he has, of course, a lot of scar tissue on the dura, then there is often the problem that you can't remove the scar tissue. Therefore, my tip for you is don't go to the dura directly. You go to the facet joint first. You resect the facet joint completely, this part of the facet joint and the other part of the facet joint. If you have resect the facet joint completely, then it's more easier to release the dura and to medialize the dura, and then you can continue your surgery.